First up is oatmeal. So it's a chunky oatmeal cookie topped with a cinnamon oatmeal streusel. I love oatmeal cookies, and I love the streusel on there too. Next up is the confetti cake. So it's pretty much a sugar cookie topped with a swirl of vanilla cream cheese frosting, and it has confetti sprinkles on there too. This one's really good too, and it kind of tastes like birthday cake. And the cookie is so fluffy too. Next up, passion fruit. So I think everything is made with passion fruit, including the cookie, the frosting, and the pearls, which is boba. Whoa. That is actually really amazing. I never actually have anything with passion fruit before, but I've had boba before once. So this is bussin', and I can tell that this one is chilled too. Last but not least is the original peanut butter M&M. So it's pretty much a original base with the peanut butter M&Ms and is stuffed with creamy peanut butter inside, which is very interesting. There's the peanut butter right here. Very peanut buttery. This one's good too. I pretty much liked all of them, and the passion fruit was bussin'.